In this video, I will show you how to use React Firebase hooks in React Native. We use this to-do list, and this is the basic one, and this is upgrade one, this is upgrade one, and this is upgrade one. I will show you step by step how to use React Firebase hook with Firebase Firestore. We will compare useCollection and useCollectionData, useDocument and useDocumentData, and when FirestoreDataConverter actually makes sense. You will learn how to use these hooks and how data converter works and how to make TypeScript happy. So tech stack, Expo, Firebase Firestore, React Firebase hooks, useCollection, useCollectionData, useDocument, useDocumentData, and TypeScript. So let's go. So this is a to-do list. So we can add any to-do. Add and toggle and delete. Backend is Firebase. Check this video to get the code and get how to make this to-do list. It's a very simple and basic one. So we go index. So the first is we need to set up a listener, real-time listener, use effect and query on snapshot to make a real-time listener unsubscribe. And snapshot docs map every doc. We give the ID is doc ID and the data is to do. And set state, set to do's use state, and also loading. And we need to remove the listener when the component amount. And we use this to do's to render the UI, and also trigger CRUD, create, toggle, and delete. So this is the to-do list. And next, we use React Firebase hooks to rewrite this to-do list. So we go the GitHub here. We can use this command, npm install this. Okay, and index, copy this. We rename it 1, index 1, okay. And go layout, index 1, home 1. We should see this, home and next home 1. It's the same code, okay. And so we import the useCollection that from React Firebase hooks, useCollection, this function. And we remove the loading and to-dos. And here is the same, we'll make a collection, to do collection, and also make a query. And we use this query to put in the useCollection, and we got the snapshot. So we use this snapshot to get to-dos, but this to-do no need to use state and set state. So just a to-dos, and to-dos from snapshot. Docs map every doc, and we return ID, text completed, created ID, the type as to-do. Here, no need this. Save. And if we console log this, we can see the doc and doc ID and doc data. So in terminal, here, doc ID, doc data, and the doc. And next is CRUD, that's the same. It's the same thing as the first page. And so if we use useCollection, we no need to write the use state and the use effect and the listener here. The use effect, the real-time listener. Okay. Next, we make another page. Okay, index, save, copy, rename, index 2. We go layout, index 2, home 2, save. We should see this home 2 is same. And in this one, we go here, we save, remove we use this one, useCollectionData. Okay, and here, so useCollectionData, and this one is useCollection. If we use useCollection, we need to do's and to write the map every docs to write the data here. And if we use useCollectionData, we can get the data directly, but we need to write a converter. So what this converter mean is convert the data to Firebase, we don't need the ID. We destructure the to-do and no need ID, just return the rest. And if from Firebase, we need to put ID from the snapshot and put in the object with the rest of the data and return this one. It has the ID. So this converter here, and we use collection data to get the data. To-dos from useCollectionData. And we use this to map and to-do and to render the to-do row. So we can add and toggle and delete. So, and the CRUD part is same. Okay, let's create, toggle, and delete. That's the same. So if we use collection data, we don't need to write a snapshot doc, map every doc to make TypeScript happy, but we need to write a with converter. And that's the use collection and use collection data. And this is the index 3. So in this file, we use collection data and use document and use document data. So first, is use collection data. We get this to-do list, the CRUD. Can toggle and can delete here. So we got the to-dos from use collection data. We cast the first to-do ID to get the first one, to-do ID, and use this ID to get the ref. And the next we name it to. Okay. So first to-do doc ref, and we use doc to get the to-do snapshot from useDocument. So if we can toggle this, and this UI renders here. So to-do snapshot from useDocument. Here we got the data and also can get the text. And completed equals true, we give true. If it's false, we give false. And this is the useDocument. And the useDocumentData is get the data, just get the data. But I need to write a converter to convert the data to Firebase. We no need the ID. Remove the ID and give back the rest. And from Firebase, we need to add ID in the data. We return this object. So if we use this first to do doc ref2 put here and use document data, we get back the data from here. And we can also get this. But the difference is we no need to write this data. And just get the text and the completed state. Okay, we can toggle and delete. And that's the use collection data, and useDocument data. And once means only use once, not a snapshot. It's only use once, or data once. Use the data once.